come out here?
What's good, YouTube? Everyone watching? What's good, YouTube? Everyone watching? I'm at a car meet. I just showed up. Got a lot of cars, so I'm gonna go one by one and showcase you what there is. There is a lot of nice cars, and peep this. It's got the Muslim front. I think it's so nice. But I'm gonna showcase all the cars and then we'll see what we have. But check this out, look at the interior. It's got the phone. 432. That is so clean. Okay, this is sick. Damn. Got hella cars. This GT3. Yeah, this is nice. Like this. Dude, that thing is slam. It's crazy. Hidden. Really nice setup though. Now let me check it out. Dude, like, this thing is on the ground. It's touching the ground. Alright, so now the owner's letting me hop in his car. That's crazy. Thanks, man. I'm gonna fill his clutch. He's got a 6-pot clutch, so it's gonna be really heavy.
Oh my god.
Damn, dude, that's really heavy. He's got a really heavy clutch. Holy.
You need to fucking like, trust me.
Yo, this guy is so chill, man. He let me in his car. I'm in a bag Z right now. I did not expect that. That is so, man. I'm gonna get some good hitters on this car. This thing's so nice. Damn. He's got Alcantara dash. Super clean, super clean. All right, here's a cold start.
Why so quiet?
Damn. Yo, that's sick. He just aired up. Holy. There is no way. That's his right height.
Is it too low?
Yo. That's right.
What holes are your worst nightmare?
That is so cool. Oh, there we go.
That's better.
This is max height right here. Oh, he's gonna put it up. No way. Dude, what? That's max height and it's still pretty low. That's crazy. Look at the rear.
Is it too low? That's max. That's max.
That is so cool.
That's maxed out.
That is maxed out right there.
What do you mean?
That is sick, man. This guy's awesome. I actually don't expect me to hop in this car. That's crazy. Like, man, it doesn't hurt to talk to people, guys. Like, just go up, you know, have some vibes, and boom, next thing you know, you're in a car. There's a 370Z in Nismo. I think really nice. He also has a 350Z in Nismo and a Evo 9. It's crazy. It's clean. Super just chilling there. I'm gonna go in there, see what's in there, because there's a lot of nice cars in there. So, this thing is so nice. But we'll go inside. Yo, check this out. What? That was sick. Yo, the interior is mint. Dude, I don't know how far I went from this to that. Like, what happened? This is so clean. Nah, this is clean. I love this. I really love this. Next to the RR. And then they got the Porsches. That's sick. And then look at this TVR. Now that's some money right there. Manual, the roll cage is crazy. I think there's a half roll cage. Gotta see, like the rear is just gone. For lightweight. Weight reduction actually. Dude, this car is damn. So cool. I mean, the R is nice. Like, I mean, maybe in the future, but this is good. This is really nice. Carbon trunk. You're like, you know, this is like straight race spec. This thing's so nice. Yo, this thing is so clean. Well, here's the description if you guys want to pause the video and check it out. But that is there for you to pause and read. Clean build. Look at that. Look at that space. That is so clean, man. So clean. Here's the rear. Next to this thing. So clean. Super clean. Oh, okay. I did not see that, but I'm gonna check that out too. This is really tidy. AMG V8. Super clean, like this is a mafia car right here. I would love to own one of these. Really nice cars. I just love how shiny these wheels are. Like, they're super shiny. The camera can't do it justice, but they're really shiny. So nice. Look at this. Look at that Wasatch package. So that means he's got some goodies. This thing is wrapped up, preserved. I don't know if I can get to the back, but I don't want to get to the back because I'm gonna look weird. So I'm gonna just do one of these, and you can enjoy it like this. This thing's clean. Here's more of this. Dude, this thing smells so nice. I can't describe the smell, but it's like old German engineering. I love the steering wheel, it's so nice. Like, you know what? I'm gonna get to the cinematics, let's get it.
My out twisted, gon' lose it. Pull out the little Uzi, make it sound like Twizzy. We rich like we boozy. Got hundreds on me every day. Cause of the G's, I got true. To the bitch, I'm jealous, she cold. Okay, the way you get right in my boat. Hundreds and fifties, we had it on 60 for money and bitches. That's how do we know? No AMP in the 7-11, go double cup walking and miss with a perk. I might miss with an S, I might go leave with Earth. I might boot up with God. He said I put it work. They asked me what do them race.
You guys did enjoy that. Dude, so many cars out here. Like, it's really hard. Like, dude, it's man, it's so cool. Still can't believe I actually got to hop in that 350. That was really cool. The guy, really nice of him. But I hope you guys did enjoy that little cinematic. There's so many cool cars. Like this thing, RCF. That's so nice. The wing out, active aero. Oh, I did not know that. That is active aero. I did not know that. That's so cool. There's some more cars outside. I'll show you guys. But yeah, just like look at this. Hold on, let me chill. Hold on. This thing is nice. Now that's a really cool photo right there. You can barely see, but I got the PSP out. Showcase Days 14. It's better if I have it on my phone because I got the emulator, so I can just display right there. That's what I normally do at car shows. But yeah, a lot of nice cars out today. That's clean. Alright, so guys, here's this. This is the Lexus LS400. They see the strobes? They see the strobes? Oh, type shit. Type shit, we got the Lexus. I need the phone now. Oh yeah. Here's my new Lexus. It's called the Lexus LS400. Hey, he's got the strobe. He's got the he's got the strobes. The camper. This? Oh, he's got the hood open. I'm gonna go check that out. But this is my favorite car right here. Evo wagon. At least it's been around for a while, huh? But check out the engine.
Yeah, it's a multi-fit one. So.
Damn, super clean. Super tight engine bay. Look at that, I got the Lotus. I think it's so cool. Sorry for the wind. It's pretty windy. I'm not sure there's like at least. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, I don't know. It's a club racer. Never heard of that one. My Whoop, RTR, E82, RS3, and yeah. Yo guys, I think I'm gonna end the video off because everyone's leaving. But hope you guys enjoyed this short video. So nice. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been a great video. It's good to come out, you know, every now and then. Especially to a car show. A car show is better than a car meet. Because the car show has more nicer cars, it's more calm. And the car meet is a bit more chaotic. But this was really nice. That was really nice. So, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Feel free to like and sub. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, y'all take care, stay safe, and peace.
And the winner is Packboy
Got a
Mac.
big X on me, got a big body back. Got racks on me, got a big body set. I know she wanted for me on this shit. I know she wish she was like